Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to unlock all the Pac-Man characters in Crossy Road, including Pac-Man himself and the 4 ghosts Inky, Blinky, Pinky and Clyde. To start, you'll need to open the Crossy Road on your mobile. Make sure to download it from the Play Store or App Store. Then you need to start or you will need a Pac-Man update of Crossy Road, which adds a special Pac-Man maze mode. Here you need to go to the collection and you need to find a Pac-Man option or collection. As you can see, this is the Pac-Man, and select a character. Now here, first just play one round of the maze and you will unlock Pac-Man as a character easily. Now for the ghost, to unlock Inky, eat 50 pack dots in a single run. So this is a single run you need to eat a 50 pack dots. You will see dot over here. As you can see, this is the coin. See, you need to eat 50 coins in one single run. Then you will unlock Inky, which is the ghost character. Then to unlock Pinky, you need to get killed by a ghost from behind. To unlock Pinky, you need to get killed by a ghost from the behind while playing your run. For Blinky, survive until you score 1000 points in a Pac-Man mode. As you can see, I have just 23 points. You need to score 1000 points while playing this game. Then, and for a Clyde, you need to get killed by a ghost from the in front. You need to get killed from in front while playing this game. Like this, you will get a characters in the Pac-Man maze mode. And you can use them not only in the maze mode but also in the normal Crossy Road gameplay. And that's it. Pac-Man plus all 4 ghosts are yours just by completing these full challenges. If this helped, hit like, subscribe for more Crossy Road secrets and comment below which hidden character you want me to cover next. And I'll see you in the next one.